Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Am I audible? My voice is clear. Please ensure that my audio is clear and you are visible. Your slides are visible there. Hello, people in the class. Please tell me whether I am audible and my slides are clear. You can unmute your yes. Okay. So as I said, this is again a tutorial 5 where we will be discussing on state model formulation, especially diagonalization and transformation of the state model, uh, particularly in canonical form. Then, based on that, we will talk about controllability and observability. I hope that in the previous class, I have given you introduction about what is controllability, observability, what is state controllability, what is output controllability, and how can uh, how can that Colburn's test is useful to find the controllability and observability and all. And I have already posted this tutorial page, tutorial sheet number 5 in your Google Classrooms already with the key also. Okay, so let me start the class. I think it is already 5 minutes late, so we will go to the uh, presentation. I hope this is little clear. So kindly see what is being provided. So it is coming under CO number 1, and the problem statement is they have provided you with the state model of a system of the form x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx plus du, and they have given you a, b, c matrices. They are supposed to we are supposed to find what is the diagonal canonical form of a state model by a suitable transformation matrix, and can also add a comment here and also comment comment about controllability, and observability. Please take down the question. Your A matrix is provided, B matrix is provided, C is provided. They are asking for the transformation of the entire state model to a diagonal canonical form, and they are asking for commenting about controllability and observability. Is that clear? Shall we go for the solution? Yes or no in the chat window at least? Hello? Hello, people in the class. Everybody is. Can you say an yes or a no in the chat box? Yes. Only two. I think more than two are there. Yes. Okay. Right. Fine. So, what is the solution? How to go for it? I will tell you the skeleton of how to solve this. Then we will solve the problem step by step. First, we have to transform this matrix. What is this? X dot is equal to ax plus bu. Y is equal to cx plus du. This state model has to be transformed into another state model z dot is equal to a tilt z plus b tilt u, and y is equal to c tilt z plus d tilt u. Okay, d tilt u. So this transformation has to be done. And what is a tilt? The matrix a tilt is nothing but m inverse a into m. B tilt is equal to m inverse b, and C tilt is equal to Cm, where M is called as a model matrix. M is called a model matrix, which will be a formation of the eigenvectors obtained. Okay, eigenvectors obtained using this system matrix A. You normally have to convert this into a lambda I minus A form of matrix, find out the eigenvalues, Then from the eigenvalues, you are supposed to find what are the eigenvectors. And once you got the eigenvectors, then you form a model matrix M, find M inverse, using M inverse and M, for try to find what is A tilt, B tilt, C tilt, and also D tilt. Here D tilt is not required because your system does not support D there. So D provided here is D is equal to 0. Okay, so this part does not exist. Okay, this D tilt U will not be there. Okay, so we will take it out. So we have to convert this uh, provided form into a canonical form. We call this as a canonical form transformation, and based on the B tilt and C tilt, we can comment about controllability and observability, and that too depending upon the A tilt. A tilt is this A tilt or this matrix. If it is a diagonal matrix, then all the elements in your B tilt should be a non-zero value corresponding to that input vector. So all the elements in B tilt should be a non-zero value. So if that is the case, then you say it is controllable. Same way, if it is C tilt, all the values in C tilt should be all the uh, elements in C tilt should also be non-zero. Then you say that is observable matrix. Okay, this is what you, as I already said, I am talking about something called as Gilbert's test. Gilbert's test. The other name for the Gilbert's is the other way of finding out the controllability and observability. Other than the Kalman's method, we have a Gilbert's method also. Okay, this is how we do. We transform this. What is this? A x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx plus du form into the other domain, z domain form. Z dot is equal to L tilt z, B tilt u, C tilt z, etc. Where A tilt, B tilt, C tilt are provided here. And based on the values, okay, how your matrix have this B and C, you will comment about your controllability and observability. Got your point? Got some idea? Whatever we have discussed so far, ஏதாவது புரிஞ்சுதா நான் பேசுறது? Okay. Then this is how we have to go for it. We convert this, then seeing that B value and C value in the transformed form, we will be commenting about controllability and observability. Shall we go to the next step? I have not started solving this problem. I have given you the outline how to solve this problem. What will be done in this problem? To as per the provided statement in the problem, what we have to do, then how you can comment about the required data. Okay, is that clear? Anybody want me to repeat what we want to say? What is actually what we have discussed? Whether anybody want me to repeat again? Hello, people in the class. Okay, so yeah, so you want me to repeat? So let me go to the next slide. I will tell you what happens here as a flow chart. Okay, so what is that is you are provided with a model x dot is equal to ax plus bu, y is equal to cx plus du. Generally, don't worry about d and all. This is the general model. So what you have to do, you have to convert or transform, and particularly this is a canonical transform. Okay, this transformation has to be done so that you will get another model type, which will be A tilt. We call this as A tilt z plus B tilt u, and y is equal to C tilt z plus D tilt u. So you have to transform the given state model into another canonical state model form. Okay, which we called as canonical transformation, and this transformation is done by means of finding a model matrix, M, which provides you an information about A tilt. A tilt is nothing but M inverse A into M. B tilt is M inverse B and C tilt is C into M. So you have to find this M first, then find M inverse, then use this M inverse AM to find A tilt, M inverse B to find B tilt, and C tilt can be found using CM. And how can you find this M? This M can be found from eigenvectors. This can be formed using eigenvectors. So what will you do? Lambda I minus A modulus or determinant equal to 0. Find what is lambda values. It may be lambda 1, lambda 2, etc. Then using these eigenvalues, we call these as eigenvalues. Using these eigenvalues, find what are the eigenvectors. And depending upon the eigenvalues, whether it is different, whether it is repeated, your methodology of finding the eigenvector is going to vary. That is again a different area where we have to see. You have to brush your basics. You should go through the linear algebra basic problems which you have learnt in your previous semesters. Eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Okay. Once you get your eigenvectors, then you can form your M matrix. From M, you have to find M inverse. If you know what is M and M inverse, then you can find all these three values and you can substitute it here. And based on B tilt, you can comment about controllability, and based on C tilt, you can comment about observability. So I will repeat you. First, you have this with you now. This is given. Okay. Then you have to find using this model. Try to find what is your model matrix. Step number 2. Step number 3. Find M inverse. Okay. Once you know M and M inverse, then go to step number 4. Find these values. Then using these values, you can comment, you can form this model and you can comment about this, which is your step number 5, what is controllability and observability, and you can get your transformed model also with you. Any doubts so far? Anybody wants me to uh, again have an issue in this discussion? ஏதாவது ஸ்டெப் புரியாம இருந்ததுன்னா again you can call me, you can ask me. I'm ready to clear your doubts. Hello. Anybody wants to me to explain further, because I have not started solving the problem. I am giving you the steps involved in solving the problem. Once we start the problem, I think you'll be able to understand. Anybody wants me to repeat the steps I have mentioned previously? You can unmute yourself and you can answer. Hello, everybody in the class. Why it is so silent? People are there or not? Are you there in the class? Yes or no? Okay, no doubt. Next we can go. Anybody other persons having any doubts? Okay, if that is the case, no doubt. Fine. Right. So let me take that A value, B value, and I will try to go further. So it is provided in the problem. A is equal to 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, minus 6, minus 11, and minus 6. Okay. B is equal to what is provided? Can anybody have noted that? B is provided as, hello, people can unmute and talk. B is equal to 101. I think everybody has a note with you. If not, please take a note and try to follow the problem. So this is provided. Accepted? Yes or no? Accepted? Yes or no? Okay, this is provided in your problem. This is provided in your problem. So what is your next step? Probably you are supposed to, my first step is finding out the model matrix. Okay, to find M, to find the model matrix M. Okay, to find the model matrix M, what I have to do? I have to I have to find what is the eigenvalues. First, I have to know what is the eigenvalues. Then I have to find the eigenvectors. Okay, eigenvectors. Then only I will get your my M actually. So what is my next step? I have to find what is lambda I minus a is equal to 0, which is your characteristic equation. Equation. Characteristic equation. So what this provides you? Lambda 0 0 0 lambda 0 0 0 lambda minus 0 1 0 0 0 1 minus 6 minus 11 minus 6. So what I will get? Lambda minus 1 0 0 lambda minus 1. Then what I will get? 6 11 and lambda plus 6, which is equal to 0. So if I want to find the determinant value, I will get it like lambda into lambda squared plus 6 lambda plus 11 plus 1 into 6 from this. Okay, from this lambda into lambda squared plus, so equal to 0. So which means lambda cube plus 6 lambda squared plus 11 lambda plus 6 is equal to 0. Anybody have a calculator with you? You can tell me what are the lambda values if you are able to tell me. What are the lambda values? Or I will go for a, if you are having a calculator, then it is easier for you. 1 6 11 6. You go for a minus 1, it is going to be 1 minus 1 5 minus 5 6 minus 6 0. So obviously this will become lambda squared plus 5 lambda plus 6. So lambda plus 2, lambda plus 3. So my lambda values are lambda is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2 and minus 3. So these are the eigen values. Any doubts so far? Any doubts so far? Hello? Anybody has a calculator with you? You can check the answers. Ready? Hello? I think you know how to solve an equation in using your calculator, finding out the roots of uh, an equation, a quadratic equation or a third order equation. Is that clear? Please respond in the chat window. People in the other people in the class, please respond. Hello? No doubt is there. Okay, so you are supposed to know how we are discussed about what is the eigenvalues. Okay, right. I will give you a note. Please make a note of it. If the eigenvalues, if the eigenvalues are different, then finding M, the model matrix M is easier using what is that form called as a Vandermonde form. A Vandermonde form. What is the Vandermonde form? M is equal to 1 1 1 lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3, lambda 1 squared, lambda 2 squared, and lambda 3 squared. So if I apply this form here, what I will get 1, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3, 1, 4, 9. Is that clear? If your eigenvalues are different, like what we have it now, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, all these three values are different. No repeated eigenvalues are there. If that is the case, I can go directly writing out the eigenvectors using a Van der Monde form. What is Van der Monde form? I have given you the formula. What is that? A matrix will be like 1, 1, 1, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, lambda 1 squared, lambda 2 squared, lambda 3 squared. So you can directly write those values, you will get your model matrix. We will verify that using the conventional method. We will verify this using the conventional method. Okay. Is this clear for you now up to this point? Up to this point, is there any doubts? Is there any doubt actually? Hello? No doubts. Okay, fine. So if the eigenvalues are different, then you can directly write your model matrix using this form, Van der Monde form. Okay, we will try this. We will try to find this model matrix using another method. Okay, which is the conventional method. So I'll iter another method to find another method to find m. Okay, the model matrix. Another method. So what will you do first? How to find the eigenvectors? Okay, that is what I wanted to wanted you to discuss. What is that? What is that way? We have to find what is lambda 1 I minus a. What is lambda 1 I minus a? If you substitute that, already we know what is lambda. I will write down the lambda. Lambda I minus a form. Lambda I minus a form is what? Lambda 0, 0, 0, lambda 0, 6, 11, lambda plus 6. Okay, this is lambda I minus a. If I substitute instead of lambda, if I substitute lambda 1, what is lambda 1 here? Lambda 1 is equal to minus 1. We have already found the first eigenvalue. So lambda 1 is minus 1. So I will substitute that minus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 6, 11, and 5. Any doubts? Any doubts here? Hello? Hello, people in the class, please. Any doubts? You can unmute yourself and you can say yes or no. That is not an issue at all. Rather than spending your time in typing, okay, டைப் பண்றதுக்கு பதிலா அன்மியூட் பண்ணி எஸ் ஆர் நோ சொல்லிடலாம். சிம்பிளா முடிஞ்சிடும் உட்காந்து டைப் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுக்கு. ஓகே, ஸோ நவ் ஐ எம் சப்போஸ் டு ஃபைண்ட் what is your eigenvector. So how do you find an eigenvector? You have to get your principal minor. First I will consider this row. I will tell you what is that. I will consider this first row. I will consider this first row. So what I will get? C11. C11 is this one. Okay, I will consider this one. So what I will get? It is positive, and the matrix is going to be, the principal minor is going to be this one. Okay, so what I will get? This is going to be minus 1, 0, 11, and 5. Is that okay? First I will get this element, minus 1 element. For this element, what is the principal minor? This is 1. So what is the value I am getting? I am getting it like, what is the value I am getting? Is that
Sir,
Yes, yes.
Lambda
You will
I
have a minus,
minus a value.
but this one is minus one. Am I right? Is that correct? சொல்லுப்பா என்ன டவுட்டுப்பா? ஹலோ,
சார் மேலையும் அதே மாதிரி -1 வரும்.
இங்கே வரும். This one is minus one. This one is minus one. So right. So here you have a minus one. Here you have a minus one. Now is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let me correct that also. Okay, fine. So this is minus one. This is, so what I will have? This is minus 5 plus 11, which is equal to 6. What is my next step? The next value. The next value is I will be selecting this one for this one, which is going to be C12. I have to consider a negative sign, and the principal minors are, I will be considering this one, this one, this one, and this one. Is that right? So 0, minus 1, 6, and 5. Yes or no? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what will I get here? 0, already have a minus here. 0 plus 6, which is equal to minus 6. What is my third element here? Third element
0.
is, yes, it is going to be 0. Let me take another. The third element is this one. So I will have 0, 1, 3. So it is going to be positive. So what I will have? I will be considering this element, this element, this and this. So 0, minus 1, 6 and 11. The principal minor. What I have? I will have it like plus 6. So what I will conclude here, my first model matrix vector. Okay, let me say it is M1. M1, small m1 is equal to C11, C12 and C13, which is equal to 6 minus 6 and 6. Further, this can be reduced as 1 minus 1 and 1. You can divide it by 6. So you will get it like 1 minus 1 plus 1. Any doubts here up to this point? Hello? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
No. Okay, then I will go to the next one. What is the next, or what is the next? I have found only one column of the model matrix. My second is, I will go for lambda 2 is equal to minus 2, the second eigenvector. So if I substitute that, what I will get? Lambda 2 I minus a. What I will get? Lambda 2 I minus a minus 2 minus 1. You can substitute 0, 0, minus 2, minus 1, 6, 11, minus 2 plus 6, you will get 4. Okay, I will do the same method, C11 for this particular 2, C11. What I will get? I will get 3. C12 for this one, minus 1. I will get minus 6. C13, I will get 12. So what I can conclude here? I can conclude M2 is equal to C11, C12, C13, which is equal to 3 minus 6 plus 12. So Further, I can reduce it 1, minus 2, and 4. Same way, lambda 3 is equal to minus 3. Your lambda 3 I minus a will be minus 3 minus 1 0 0 minus 3 minus 1 6 11 and 3. Same way, your C11 will be, what will you get? 1, C12 will be minus 3 and C13 will be 9. So M3 can be written as 1 minus 3 and 9. So from the given found out derived values, I will say that the model matrix M is equal to M1, M2, M3, which is equal to what? 1 minus 1 1, 1 minus 2 4, 1 minus 3 and 9. So you got the same value as the previous slide. Using Vandermonde form, we have got the same values. You can see that, you can check in the previous slide. You can check that here. Here, the same matrix is there. Yes? Yes or no? Rather than doing all these calculations, you can directly write if the eigenvalues are different. Okay, if it is same, then you are going to follow the conventional method like this, finding out lambda 1 I minus a. Then you have to differentiate the second to find the second M2. If it is repeated once, if it is repeated twice, then again you have to differentiate it. You will see some other problem maybe in the next class with the what do you call it, a repeated root. Okay, now we will stop up to this. This problem is finding out the model matrix M is using either a Vandermonde form or using a conventional method. So if M is known, what is my next step? I have to find what is M inverse. What is M inverse formula? I have to go for finding out the adjoint of M, the adjoint of M, determinant of M. Okay, what is adjoint of M? Using your, you will get it like, okay, you have to get, you have to find using the principal manager again. For find, if you consider this 1, you will get minus 18 plus 12, which is equal to minus 6. The same way you will get it like minus 5 here. You will get it like minus 1 here. Then you will have 6 minus 2. If again you will be getting a transpose. Finally, I am writing it the values 2 minus 1. From this M value, M matrix, you can get your adjoint of M. Okay, then what is your determinant M? Determinant M, if you write it like, you will get it like 1 into, okay, minus 6, minus 1 into minus 6 plus minus 4 plus 2. You will get it finally as minus 2. So this is your modulus, or we say determinant of M. Okay. Any doubts here? Any step I want to repeat it again? If you want me to repeat, I can work on it. Yes. Any step you want to me to repeat it again, or any step you doesn't understand, please tell me.
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to the next step. Finally, I'm taking all these values to the next slide. So I will get it like my M inverse is going to be 1 by minus 2 into minus 6 minus 5 minus 1, 6 8 2 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1. And your M matrix is going to be 1 1 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 4 9. So what is my next step? I have my model matrix and the inverse of that. So I have to find what is A tilt. A tilt is what? M inverse AM. M inverse AM is what? Substitute all these value. M inverse into M, A into M. You will get it like -1, 0, 0, 0, -2, 0, 0, 0, -3. Then B tilt is equal to M inverse B. If we substitute that, you will get it like 3.5 -4, 1.5. And C tilt is equal to Cm. You will get it like 1, 1, 1. You know all the values of A, B, and C. Substitute in this formula and form your matrix. Any doubts? So now I can transform this into Z1 dot, Z2 dot, Z3 dot is equal to the A tilt matrix -1, 0, 0, 0, -2, 0, 0, 0, -3. Z1, Z2, Z3 plus B tilt 3.5 -4, 1.5 into U. Y is equal to 1, 1, 1. Z1, Z2, Z3. So the general form is Z dot is equal to A tilt Z plus B tilt U. Y is equal to C tilt Z. So this is what a diagonal transformation. You can see that the entire diagonal element is the eigenvalues and all other values in your A tilt is going to be 0. So a diagonal element is only existing, other elements are 0. We call this as a diagonal matrix. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, fine. So what is the next step? You have transformed it. One half is over. The next step is commenting about controllability. To comment about controllability, what we have to see? To comment about controllability, you have to see B tilt. If B tilt, all elements are non-zero values. So it is completely state controllable. If any of the B tilt value is 0, for example, let us say if this value is 0, then it is not controllable. This is not state controllable. And the element which is responsible for causing a controllability issue is this second element Z2 because the corresponding vector. You understand? நான் என்ன சொல்றது புரியுதா? B tilt பார்க்குறோம். B tiltல எல்லா வேல்யூமே நான் ஜீரோவா இருக்கணும். அது பாசிட்டிவ் நெகட்டிவ் அது பிரச்சனை இல்லை. எல்லா வேல்யூமே நான் ஜீரோவா இருந்ததுன்னா நான் இப்ப பேசுறது எல்லாமே டிஃபரெண்ட் ஐகன் வேல்யூஸ்க்கு. ஜோர்டான் கெரானிக்கல் போனோம்னா வேற மாதிரி வரும். அது அடுத்த ப்ராப்ளம் நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்ல பார்க்கும்போது பேசுவோம். இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் பி டில்ட்டை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே நான் ஜீரோ வேல்யூ. அதனால இது கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஸ்டேட் கண்ட்ரோலபிள். இதுல ஏதாவது ஒரு வேல்யூ வந்து ஜீரோவா இருந்ததுன்னா கூட அது கண்ட்ரோலபிள் கிடையாது. அப்போ கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டிக்கு இஷ்யூ கிரியேட் பண்ணக்கூடிய வேல்யூ எது, எந்த பேராமீட்டர் இஷ்யூ கிரியேட் பண்ணுது, எந்த ஸ்டேட் வேரியபிள் கிரியேட் பண்ணுதுன்னா எந்த பி டில்ட்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய எந்த எலமெண்ட் ஜீரோவா இருக்கோ அதுக்கு அந்த ரோல கரஸ்பாண்டிங்கான எந்த வேல்யூ எந்த ஸ்டேட் வேல்யூ இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுதான் பிரச்சனைக்குரியதுன்னு அர்த்தம். இப்போ இதுல -4க்கு பதிலாக 0 இருக்குதுன்னா அந்த ரோல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஸ்டேட் வேரியபிள் எது? Z2. அப்போ Z2 தான் ப்ராப்ளம். Z2ங்கிறது நத்திங் பட் x2 மாதிரி தான். அப்போ அந்த வேரியபிளுக்கு பதிலாக வேற ஒரு வேரியபிளை இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் பண்ணி ஸ்டேட் மாடலை மாற்றணும், கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டியா கொண்டு வரணும்னா. அப்சர்வபிலிட்டிக்கு என்ன செய்யணும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கிறோம்? அப்சர்வபிலிட்டிக்கு சி டில்ட் பார்க்கணும். ஆல் வேல்யூஸ் ஆஃப் ஆல் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் ஆர் நான் ஜீரோ. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சி டில்ட்டில் எல்லா வேல்யூ என்ன இருக்குது, 1 1 1 எல்லாமே நான் ஜீரோ. ஸோ observable. Any doubts here? Hello? என்னாச்சு, ஒருத்தரையும் காணா, பதிலே இல்லை. Hello? No doubts. So what are the two things we have discussed here? The first thing is how to form a diagonal matrix. Diagonalize பண்ணி எப்படி ஒரு diagonal canonical ஃபார்முக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டேட் மாடலை டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் பண்றது அது பார்த்துருக்குறோம். அப்படி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணி கிடைச்ச அந்த மேட்ரிக்ஸை வச்சு எப்படி நம்ம கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டி அப்சர்வபிலிட்டி நம்ம கமெண்ட் பண்றது, இந்த ரெண்டு விதையும் பார்த்துருக்குறோம். Is it clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this is your first problem in your tutorials. Okay, we will move to the next question. 6, right. Compute the state controllability, observability and output controllability for the system. This is your second problem. Again, this is coming under CO1, first course outcome. Controllability and observability. Controllability ரெண்டு controllability இருக்கு. ஒன்று ஸ்டேட் controllability, இன்னொன்று அவுட்புட் controllability. ரெண்டுமே நம்ம கிளாஸ்ல டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன், கால்மன்ஸ் டெஸ்ட் வச்சு. இப்போ நான் இதை எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ண போறேன்னா யூசிங் கால்மன்ஸ் டெஸ்ட் தான். யூசிங் கால்மன்ஸ் டெஸ்ட். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நான் இதிலிருந்து என்ன எழுதிக்கலாம், கிவன் டேட்டாவில் எழுதிக்கலாம். ஏ இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு என்ன, -2 1 1 -2. பி ஈக்குவல் டு என்ன, 1 0. சி இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு என்ன, 1 -1 கிவன். அப்போ கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டியை பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் ரெண்டு இருக்கு. ஒன்று ஸ்டேட் கண்ட்ரோலபிள், இன்னொன்று அவுட்புட் கண்ட்ரோலபிள். ஸ்டேட் கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டிக்கு நமக்கு ஃபார்முலா தெரியும், என்னது, பி ஏபி ஏ ஸ்கொயர்ட் பி எக்ஸெட்ரா ஏ பவர் n - 1 பி. அவுட்புட் கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டி ஃபார்முலா என்ன, சிபி சிஏபி எக்ஸெட்ரா சி ஏ பவர் n - 1 b, and you will have a final e there. If your determinant value formed using these vectors b, a b, a inverse b, etc., okay, depending upon the order of the system, if the determinant value is a non-zero value, then it is going to be controllable, state controllable. Again, the output controllability, you have to verify the rank, and if the rank is because this matrix dimension is going to be m cross n plus 1 into r, where n will be your system matrix, r will be from your b matrix, m will be your c matrix. From these values and all, you will get your dimension of this matrix. And to prove the output controllability, the rank should be equal to m. M is nothing but the C matrix row numbers. Okay, so this is how you have to check it out. So I will take these values there. In the next step, I will start my solution to check the controllability, that is particularly state controllability. Okay, state controllability. So your QC is equal to B AB. Why? Because the dimension of A is 2 cross 2. So n is equal to 2, which is obviously reduces the formula to B AB alone. A is provided. What is A? -2, 1, 1 minus 2. What is B? 1, 0. So I can write this as 1, 0. What is AB then? AB is equal to -2, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 0. You will get it like -2, 1. So -2, 1. And the determinant value is 1, which is not equal to 0. So it is completely state controllable. Completely state controllable. Any doubts here? It's a very old technique which is used. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the first part. What is that? We are checking for state controllability. What should be our next step? What should be our next step? What is asked in the question? They are asking for finding out the state controllability, observability, and output controllability. So first thing is over. Second, I have to check for observability, and third, I have to go for output controllability. So what is my second one? It is going to be observability. Observability. What is the formula? Q naught is equal to, using Kalman's test, C transpose, A transpose, C transpose, etc. A transpose, N minus 1, C transpose. The same thing is mattered here. A is equal to 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 dimension. So N is equal to 2. So obviously this will be reduced to C transpose, A transpose, C transpose. Because N is equal to 2, so it is N is my 2 minus 1 is going to be A transpose around. So your formula is restricted. So what is your C matrix? C matrix is provided. C matrix is equal to what? C matrix is provided as what? What is the value? Anybody remember that? 1 minus 1. Is that correct? 1 minus 1. So what is C transpose? C transpose is going to be 1 minus 1. Then what is A transpose, C transpose? First I have to write the A transpose. What is that? The same matrix will be there because same numbers are there. So A transpose is this and C transpose is 1 minus 1. So what I will get? -2 minus 1, 1 plus 2, which is equal to -3 and 3. So I can write -3 and 3. What happens here? What happens here? The determinant value, that is determinant of Q naught, will be equal to 3 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So it is not observable. It is not observable. Why? Because the determinant value is 0. Determinant value is 0, so it is going to be not observable. If it is determinant is non-zero, then you can say it is observable. Any doubts here? Any doubts
No,
in this
sir.
part?
No doubts.
Okay. So what is the third one? First one we have found what is state controllability. Then I have found what is observability. Then what is the third one? Yes. The third one is, what is the third one?
Output controllability.
Output controllability. So output controllability, what is the formula? Output controllability. Output controllability. What is the formula? I will put like output controllability. QC naught is equal to CB and CAB, because N is going to be 2, so it restricts to 2. Already we have found what is AB. Okay, what is CAB then? C value is 1 minus 1. Already we have found AB there. What is the AB value? AB value is -2 minus 1 here. So -2 minus 1. So what you will get? -2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. Then what is CB? 1 minus 1. And what is your B value? B value is what? 1, 0. So 1, 0. It is going to be 1. So 1 and minus 3. Now the rank of QC naught is equal to 1 and M is also equal to 1. Okay, so it is output controllable. Already I have mentioned this. You can see that this matrix is the dimension of your QC naught dimension, and that matrix should be have a rank of M. M is nothing but the number of rows in C matrix. Number of rows in C matrix, the dimension of based on the dimension of C matrix. Okay, so if it is equivalent to that, actually, then you say it is output controllable. Now you can see that here, okay, the rank of QC naught is equal to 1, and you can see this is your C matrix. The number of rows is only 1, and both are equal, so it is output controllable. And I forgot to add one more step here. What is that step? Can anybody notice that? What should be added there? You have a D there. D is not provided. Again, rank is 1, so it is output controllable. Output controllable. Yes? Any doubts here? Hello?
No, sir.
ஒரு பேச்சு புரிஞ்சிருச்சா எல்லாத்துக்கும்? The third problem, I will give you 5 minutes and I require the answer. Using Kalman's test, you try to get me the answer. I will wait there. I will wait here. No issue. Take your note, solve it and tell me. This is again a simple one. What is asked actually? We are asking for state controllability and output controllability. So first find what is QC. Okay, then you find what is QC naught. From QC you find what is state controllability, then QC naught you will tell about what is output controllability. I will give you 5 minutes. Please tell me the answer. Yes. I may ask any of you to show the note also. You can switch on the video and you can show the note, whatever you have solved. Whoever leaves the class now, I will feel that they have not listened actually. There is no note. இப்போ யாராவது வெளியில் போயிடக்கூடாது. நெட்வொர்க் இஷ்யூ, நான் வெளியில் போயிட்டேன், எனக்கு வராது, அதெல்லாம் சொல்லக்கூடாது. ஓகே, 5 நிமிஷத்துக்குள்ளே இதை செஞ்சு சொல்லணும். சீக்கிரம். சிம்பிள். யார் முதல்ல பண்ணுறான்னு பார்ப்போம். யாருக்காவது புரியாமல் இருந்துச்சுன்னா இப்போ கேட்கலாம். இப்போ புரிஞ்சவங்க செஞ்சுக்கிட்டு இருக்கட்டும், புரியாதவங்க என்கிட்ட ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்தால் கேட்கலாம். ம், எல்லாருமே செய்றீங்களா? யார் செய்கிறா? செய்கிறவங்க ஒரு எஸ் போடுங்க பார்ப்போம் சாட் விண்டோவில். ஓகே, ஒரு பையன் தான் செய்கிறானா? ஜி ஓகே, 2, பிரகதீஸ்வரி 3, சிவி 4, சிவகுமார் 5, மதுமிதா 6. முடிச்சிட்டிங்கன்னா யாராவது அவுட் ஆன் பண்ணி மைக் ஆன் பண்ணி சொல்லிடலாம் அது கண்ட்ரோலபுளா இல்லையா அப்படிங்கிறது. அதே மாதிரி முடிச்சவங்க ஆன்சர் ஒர்க் பண்ணவங்க அவங்க ப்ரெசண்ட்டை கூட நீங்கள் உங்கள் கேமரா ஆன் பண்ணி நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணிக்கலாம், நீங்கள் ஒர்க் பண்ணதை கூட ஷேர் பண்ணலாம், இதில் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். யூ வில் சி ஹவு ஃபார் யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டுட். ஓகே, இருந்ததை சொல்லலாம். whoever completed can share that, switch on your video and you can show what you have done. I am ready to see that also. என்ன ஆன்சர் முதல்ல அது சொல்லுங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் I will ask you to show that. இவ்வளோ நேரம் ஆச்சு, சீக்கிரம். என்ன ஆன்சர்ப்பா? QC is equal to, ஓகே ரைட்டு, நான் ஜீரோ. அப்போ என்ன அர்த்தம்? இட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி, மைக்கை ஆன் பண்ணி பேசுங்க முகமது இப்ராஹிம் கனி.
Sir, completely state controllable, sir.
ஓகே, அவுட்புட் கண்ட்ரோலபிலிட்டி வேற யார் ஆன்சர்
Completely
வந்திருக்கு?
out.
வேற யாருக்கு வந்திருக்கு? இப்ராஹிம் கனி இல்லாம வேற யாருக்கு வந்திருக்கு? few more are there. மதுமிதா, சிவகுமார், பிரகதீஸ்வரி, சுஜி. என்னாச்சு சிவி வர்ஷித் என்னாச்சுன்னு தெரியல. தேவேல் இருந்தான், என்னாச்சுன்னு தெரியல. ஸோ இட் இஸ் கோயிங் டு பி பி ஏபி. Okay, now only has joined. B is going to be 1, 2, and AB is going to be 2 minus 6. Is that right? AB. So 2
Minus
minus
7, sir.
1. Okay, minus 7. Right, minus 7. So we'll get it like minus 4 minus 7 minus 4, which is equal to minus 11, which is not equal to 0. So completely state controllable. What about this fellow? QC naught. QC naught is equal to CB CAB. CB is equal to B is already there. C is what? 1 1. So you will get it like
3 minus 5.
okay, 3 and minus 5. So again it is equal to the rank is 1. So it is completely output controllable. Output controllable. Everybody got the answer? Yes, please. And someone share that work what you have done. You can switch on your camera and you can show that someone who has completed, please, so that it will be okay. I also know that who else have done. Everybody in the class, please. Switch on பண்ணுங்கப்பா உங்க வீடியோ switch on பண்ணி கொஞ்சம் காட்டுங்க. நோட் அப்படியே கொஞ்சம் பார்த்துடுறேன் நான். ஒரு நிமிஷம். I cannot view it here. I will try to ஒரு நிமிஷம். Ibrahim. Okay. So what you are getting it? Yes. Ibrahim getting is okay. What about the others? Ibrahim getting is okay. The others? Sibi, Suji, Pragadishwari, Madhumita. Who else are there? Why we are sending it through WhatsApp? I don't know. Who is this? Someone has sent it through WhatsApp. Okay. The other one is state controllable. Whoever it is, 8220645978. Okay, you kindly change the comment. It is state controllable, state complete, state controllable. Okay, so look at that actually, whoever it is. Okay, right. So, there are two more problems like this. This is one, and this is another one. Okay, I will leave these two as a homework. You can download these two problems from your Google Classrooms. Okay, you can download using Google, from the Google Classrooms tutorial sheet 5. There is also a tutorial key there already available. I have posted it, but don't go through that. Instead of going through that, you take this sheet, work on the problem. Okay, work on the problem and verify the answers in your Google tutorial sheet key. Okay, don't directly go to key and complete your problems. You just apply the knowledge whatever you have gained here in this tutorial. Then you work on these two problems and verify the key also available. Is that okay? Hello? Is that okay? Yes or no? Okay, so it will take another 15 to 20 minutes to complete this work. You complete this work and you can see that. So one more. Okay, I will first close this one. Then I will stop the presentation. Then I will